How to remove card from Apple Pay. In this video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to remove your debit card from your Apple Pay. So let's say the card has actually expired, or you just simply want to remove it to add a new one. In this video, I'm going to actually show you how to do that. So the first step you need to take is to go to your Apple Pay app, just like this, on your iPhone. So right here, looking here on the screen, you can see what the home page is going to appear like. You can see the different wallet address I have here. So some of this wallet address has actually expired. I'm going to click on one like this. So you need to just select one like this. Now at the top right corner, you can see the three dots icon right there. You need to simply go ahead and click on it like this. Then go ahead and click on card details. You can see that right here. So right here on your card details, you simply need to scroll down just like this. At the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says remove. You need to go ahead and click on it and click on remove. So once you do that, you'll be able to remove this card from your Apple Pay. So this is how simple it is to remove cards from your Apple Pay. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.